up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because look at my hair. Like, I love it. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly how I did this hairstyle, and it's really easy. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the end. Okay, so I'm gonna like spice up this hairstyle that I already done. You might have seen it. I called it like a 90s back to school look. It's really hard to find Marley hair in LA. Like in New York, I could just walk down one block and there's about 3 beauty supply stores, same block. But here it's like I gotta go. I didn't bother. So these are the extra stretchy rubber bands from Sally's, right? Yeah. So I'm holding my hair in right here, and then the weave on the side, or the Marley hair. And then I'm just braiding. I put 2 scarves because I don't want the back of my hair looking like the remix. Try to put some decoration. Okay, so this part is a little hard to explain. I wish I actually got a better shot, but as you can see, it's not that hard. I basically just tie the rubber band about every 3 or 4 inches apart, and you can make each section bigger by just pulling it apart or just keeping it skinny, and it'll get like thinner and thinner as you go down the entire shaft. So just do that. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this the other side off camera. Okay, so you just want to basically put the bun in the scrunchie only one time, and then you want to flip the hair over to the other side and then stuff the bun in the Marley hair, just like how I do here. Now, of course, you need to pin it down. Put as many pins as you can so that just in case you start, you know, driving with the top down, your hair won't fly off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, I am like so happy with these results. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. If you do try it, I want to see. Follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be taking pictures and I'm gonna post them or whatever. Duh, that's what you do on Instagram, right? And yeah, so I'll just see you in my next video. Bye.
Kicking your dough from the back, you know that we coming for that. Just got the Rari, I just spent $1 million on that. Look how I'm acting, got